Hello guys, I am going to take question number 3 here. Question number 3, that is Roman 3 here. You can see this is Roman 2, this is Roman 3, this is Roman 4, IV known as Roman 4 and V known as Roman 5. This is the question. In my earlier video, I have covered solution of Roman 1 and Roman 2. Now, I am going to take Roman 3. Here I shall write given that cosec inverse 2. Cosec inverse 2. So here we have to get principal value of cosec inverse 2. What we'll do in this case, here I shall write cosec inverse in bracket 2 equal to cosec inverse, here 2 is there, you know very well, sin 30 degree equal to 1 बटा 2, sin 30 degree equal to 1 over 2, then cosec 30 degree will be 2. So in place of 2 here, I can write cosec 30 degree. I shall write in bracket cosec 30 degree bracket close. Now here you can see cosec 30 degree is there. Now 30 degree will be converted into radian. So here I can write 180 degree equal to pi radian. 180 degree equal to pi radian. 1 degree equal to pi over 180 degree. And here it is given 30 degree. So 30 degree is equal to 30 into pi by 180. This will be crossed out. You will get here 6. You will get here pi by 6 radian. Now this 30 degree will be converted into pi by 6 radian. So here I can write cosec inverse cosec pi by 6 I can write. Now here you can see cosec inverse cosec pi by 6. Now what to do next? You have to refer concept. Here you can see cosec inverse in bracket cosec theta equal to theta when theta belong to close interval minus pi by 2 over pi by 2 close interval. Semicolon theta naught equal to 0. This is the concept. Cosec inverse cosec theta equal to theta. This statement will become when theta belong to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 closed interval theta is not equal to 0. This is the case. So here you can see, I can very well write here cosec inverse in bracket cosec pi by 6. This is the case. Now here you can see cosec inverse cosec pi by 6, cosec inverse cosec pi by 6 I have written. Here you can see cosec inverse, here cosec inverse, cosec theta cosec pi by 6. This means that theta is equal to pi by 6. So theta is equal to pi by 6 will be there. This pi by 6 will be belong to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 semicolon theta not equal to 0. This is the case. So you have to judge whether pi by 6 is belong to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 closed interval. If it is there, then it will be okay. Now here you can see pi by 6. Pi by 6 can be written as 30 degree belong to closed interval minus 90 degree comma 90 degree closed interval semicolon theta not equal to 0. थीटा का वैल्यू 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. तो here you can expand this one. So when you expand this one, you can expand. This means that theta is equal to 30 degree. So 30 degree lies between minus 90 degree and plus 90 degree. You can show it when you expand this one minus 90 degree. So here you can write minus 90 degree comma minus 60 degree you can write, minus 45 degree you can write, minus 30 degree you can write, minus 90 degree, minus 60 degree, minus 45 degree, minus 30 degree, and theta is not equal to 0. So here I can't write 0. So here I can write 0. After that 30 degree will be there, 45 degree will be there, 60 degree will be there, and 90 degree will be there. This is the expansion of minus 90 degree to plus 90 degree. Minus 90 degree, minus 60 degree, minus 45 degree, minus 30 degree, plus 30 degree, plus 45 degree, plus 60 degree, plus 90 degree. So you can see here 30 degree is lying between minus 90 degree and minus 30 degree. So here you can see 30 degree, here 30 degree. You can see here 30 degree is lying between minus 90 degree and plus 90 degree. The 30 degree is here, you can see 30 degree. This 30 degree is lying between minus 90 degree and plus 90 degree. So this is the statement. This is statement true. This means that 30 degree belong to closed interval minus 90 degree plus 90 degree closed interval. Theta is not equal to 0. This is the true. This means that this is statement true. So when this is statement true, when theta equal to pi by 6 belong to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 closed interval semicolon theta not equal to 0. is true, is true, because here 30 degree lie between minus 90 degree and plus 90 degree. Pi by 6 belong to closed interval minus pi by 2, comma pi by 2 closed interval, theta is not equal to 0. This is true. Hence, we can write, hence I can write very well cosec inverse cosec pi by 6 equal to pi by 6. So here I can write answer equal to pi by 6. This is the correct answer I have given. Answer is equal to pi by 6. Let us check the answer here. I think answer is correct. Question number 3. Cosec inverse 2 equal to pi by 6. The principal value of cosec inverse 2 will be pi by 6. The pi by 6 will be the correct answer. Cosec pi by 6 equal to pi by 6 will be there. Because here pi by 6 means 30 degree belong to closed interval minus 90 degree plus comma plus 90 degree closed interval theta is not equal to 0. The answer will be pi by 6. Now take the next question here. I shall take question number 4 here. You can see here given question, given that tan inverse in bracket minus under root 3. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall write tan inverse minus under root 3. Now think over this one. So here you can see, here I am going to write since tan inverse minus theta equal to minus tan inverse theta. Since tan inverse in bracket minus theta equal to minus tan inverse theta, it will become tan inverse in bracket minus theta equal to minus tan inverse theta. It will become. So here I can write very well equal to minus tan inverse in bracket under root 3. I can write. When it will become minus tan inverse, I know tan 60 degree equal to under root 3. So 60 degree will be converted into radian. You can very well write tan pi by 3 equal to under root 3. Here you can see pi by 3, 180 by 3. So 318, tan 60 degree it will become tan pi by 3 equal to under root 3. It will become. So here I can write very well tan pi by 3, because tan pi by 3 equal to under root 3. So in place of under root 3, I can write tan pi by 3. Here it will become. What to do next? Here you can write minus 1 will be there. Here write minus 1 in bracket like this. And this will become tan inverse in bracket tan pi by 3. Now apply here principal value branch. Principal value branch. I shall write here principal value branch. I am going to write here. Imply that tan inverse tan theta equal to theta it will become when theta belong to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Principal value branch equal to theta. Principal value branch implies that tan inverse tan theta equal to theta. It will become when theta belong to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 open interval. Let us judge. So here you can see tan inverse tan theta equal to pi by 3. So here I shall take theta equal to pi by 3. So I have to prove theta equal to pi by 3 belong to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Let us see. You can show this one. So here I can write pi by 3 means 60 degree belong to, here you can write 60 degree belong to open interval minus 90 degree comma 90 degree open interval. This means that open interval minus 90 degree comma 90 degree open interval. This means that while in expansion minus 90 degree and plus 90 degree will not be included. So you can see here, expand this one 60 degree, here expand minus 90 degree. The 90 degree will not be taken into account. So what account will be taken? This one you can write minus 90 degree plus 90 degree equal to, you can take only value this one minus 90 degree open interval minus 90 degree will not be taken in account. So here you can write minus 60 degree. Again you can write minus 45 degree, minus 30 degree, 0, 30, 45 and 60. You can see open interval minus 90 degree. This means that minus 90 degree will not be included. So I have written only minus 60 degree, minus 45 degree, minus 30 degree, 0, 30 degree, 45 is 60 degree. So you can see here 60 degree belong to, here 60 degree is there. Here 60 degree is there, here it is. I have done nothing, but I have expanded open interval minus 90 degree comma 90 degree open interval. The expansion of from here to here, it will become this one. It will become this one. So here you can see 60 degree is belong to open interval minus 90 degree comma plus 90 degree open interval. When I have expanded open interval minus 90 degree comma plus 90 degree open interval, you will get this term. You will get this term. This term. In this term from here to here, you can see 60 degree here, here 60 degree there. This means that 60 degree belong to open interval minus 90 degree comma 90 degree open interval. Hence pi over 3 belong to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 open interval. Is true. Is true. Hence you can write tan inverse. No, take this question from here. Minus 1 dot tan inverse in bracket tan pi over 3 equal to -1. This -1 I shall write here -1. Tan inverse tan pi by 3, it will become dot pi by 3, because here condition principal value branch is being satisfied here. So it will become -1 will multiply to pi, you will get here minus pi over 3. This will be the correct answer, minus pi over 3. So here I can write hence, therefore tan inverse in bracket under root 3 equal to, now you can write like this, principal value of tan inverse minus under root 3 equal to minus pi by 3. This will be the correct answer. Principal value of tan inverse in bracket minus under root 3 bracket close equal to minus pi by 3. This will be the correct answer. Let us